Hey friends, it's Jana with Stampin' Ink, and I'm so excited to bring you my very first One Sheet Wonder class kit featuring the Brushed with Beauty suite of products. This kit is all about taking a few 6x6 pieces of designer series paper and creating this full set of 10 cards. You'll receive a One Sheet Wonder cutting guide in your PDF along with step-by-step instructions so you can easily create all the designs at your own pace. You will need the Petals of Beauty bundle to create the cards as I have designed them. I used this bundle to cut out all of the leaf elements and stamp and die cut some of the other leaf elements. So this is available as an add-on when you register for the class. When you add these on to your registration, you save on shipping and tax. Any additional shipping and tax, I pay for that. So it's basically you're saving an additional 18% when you use this as an add-on. So you do need to have this bundle, the Petals of Beauty bundle, in order to create the cards as I have designed them. I have also used for the sentiments, I used the Words of Beauty bundle to die cut the labels and use the sentiments for the cards. You don't necessarily need to have this bundle, but it is available as an add-on also. You can always use a different sentiment set that you already own. This is also available as an add-on at registration. Let me show you what you get in the kit. So in the kit, you're going to receive 3 yards of the basic beige ribbon. Say that 3 times fast. You're going to receive a full packet of the Pearls of Beauty embellishments. You will also receive a full spool of linen thread. There's going to be a cardstock packet in your kit for all of your die cutting and stamping. You're going to receive all of the card bases and embossed layers that you'll need to create all of the cards along with envelopes. You'll also receive 2 sheets of the Whispers of Texture Designer Series paper. So it's 1 sheet each of the 2 designs that come in a normal pack. And you're going to receive the Brushed with Beauty Designer Series paper. A half a pack of this paper is included in the kit. The kit is $59 and registration is open through March 29th, and kits will ship no later than April the 14th. So I hope that you will join me for this class. I love this kit because you're not only creating 10 gorgeous cards, but you're also learning a fun layout that you can use again and again with your own paper. So be sure to register by March the 29th and your kit will ship no later than April the 14th. This is such a beautiful class and it's such a great value. I really think that you're going to love it. So I hope that you will register for this kit. I'm excited for you to create these cards and we'll see you next time. Happy stamping!